Today, we'll guide you through turning pressed flowers into stunning coasters. So grab your favorite blooms and let's get started. For this project, you'll need wood slices, pressed flowers, acrylic paint, decoupage glue, and a paintbrush. Start by painting the center of the wood slice with your color of choice using acrylic paint. We recommend a light and neutral shade to make the flowers stand out. Now apply a generous coat of decoupage glue on top of the wood slice. This layer will prepare the surface for the flowers. Then choose a flower for the center of your coaster and gently place it in position. Dip your paintbrush in more glue and delicately coat the flower, ensuring it stays in place. Let's surround the center flower with 4 smaller blooms. These can be in a different color, adding a contrast. As you place each flower, cover it with a layer of glue. Once all the flowers are in place, it's time for the final step. Add a generous coat of glue to seal the coaster. Remember, patience is key. Wait for the decoupage to fully cure before using your new pressed flower coasters. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant way to turn pressed flowers into functional works of art.